Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago. As the results of the USDA report, well, as always, the USDA has some surprises for us. I think the biggest one was lower crops. They dropped the corn crop 200 million bushels, mostly lower acres from last year. They also dropped the bean crop almost 100 million bushels due to a lower yield. For the ending stocks, this put corn at 1242, beans at 210, while wheat was at 267. D1 stocks for wheat was 1280 versus estimates of 1344. Corn 10,809 versus 11,153, and wheat 3022 versus 3132. As far as the global numbers are concerned, world wheat stocks 268.4 versus December number 267.3. Russia still at 91. Corn 296.4 versus 298.4. And the corn numbers, we're still looking at pretty much similar numbers, like China imports at 18 million tons. And beans 103.5 versus 102.7. They lowered China imports to 96 million tons versus 98. Argentina's corn crop is now 52 million tons versus 55 previous. Beans 45.5 versus 49.5. And corn crop in Brazil 125 versus 126. Beans 153 versus 152. Winter wheat acres, a big number, 37. Average guess was 34.4. We've got hard wheat at 25.3 versus 23.8. 7.9 spring wheat versus 6.9 in soft wheat, and 3.7 white versus 3.6. So we have beans, March beans up 23 cents at 15.16. Corn up 13 at 6.69, and wheat unchanged in Chicago at 7.39. So again, we're working with less supply here in the United States, which is supportive to the market. We're now looking at South American weather and actual demand with our export numbers, both corn and beans, lower to offset the lower supply.